Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can delete your Facebook Lite account. And the first step is actually going to go to this menu that we have on top, which is the three horizontal bars menu. Now let's click there. And now we have to find settings and privacy, and we have to click on settings. Now you want to find your Meta account center and just click anywhere on the screen on that region where it says Meta account center. Now, you need to scroll down to your personal details and click on account ownership and control. Let's click there. And now you want to click on deactivation or deletion. Okay. Now, after that, click on your profile, on the profile that you want to delete, and just click on continue. Okay. I'm just going to click on delete account, which is this one here, not the one on top, which is deactivate. And I'm just going to click on continue. Okay. Keep in mind that this is a permanent thing, okay, that you're gonna do. Now you have to give a reason, which in my case is that I'll no longer find Facebook useful, and just keep scrolling down to the very bottom and just continue, type in your password, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.